In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Revolut card PIN. We'll walk through the exact process from the app to the ATM so you can update your PIN quickly and securely, and I'll share helpful tips along the way. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone and tapping the cards icon. This is where all your physical and virtual cards are managed. If you have more than one card, make sure you select the specific card you want to update so the change applies to the right one. Next, tap View PIN. For security, Revolut will ask you to verify your identity before showing your current PIN. Depending on your settings, that might be a passcode, Face ID, Touch ID, or a similar check. The app shows your PIN only briefly, so have a moment to memorize it and never screenshot or write it where others might see it. Now, head to any ATM that supports PIN services. Most major bank ATMs do, and you'll usually see options like PIN services or change PIN in the on-screen menu. If you don't spot it right away, check under card services or settings. Insert your physical Revolut card and follow the on-screen instructions to choose the change PIN option. When prompted, enter your current PIN first. This confirms you're the card holder. Then choose your new 4-digit PIN and enter it again to confirm. Aim for something memorable to you, but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious choices like repeating digits, 1234, or dates tied to you. If the ATM says the pins don't match, just re-enter carefully to confirm. Once you complete the confirmation, the ATM updates your card's chip with the new PIN. In most cases, this is immediate, which means your new PIN is ready to use right away for chip and PIN transactions. As a quick security tip at the ATM, always shield the keypad with your hand and be aware of your surroundings. It's important to note that Revolut does not let you change your PIN directly inside the app. The app is there to view your existing PIN after you verify your identity, but the actual change has to happen at an ATM that supports PIN services. This is by design to keep the process consistent and secure, and that's all there is to it. Open the app and check your current PIN, visit a compatible ATM, select change PIN, confirm with your current PIN, set your new one, and you're done. Your new PIN is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and stay safe with your card.